Here at Kryptonite, we are happy to announce we've got upper control arms for the 2019 and up 1500 platform. And yes, you do need them if you're leveling your truck. If you're pushing your truck to the limit, you need the suspension to match. This is why we build what we build, to push our trucks to the limit. Whether you're going with bigger tires, if you're off-roading, towing, whatever it may be, we've got you covered. Our upper control arms are a box construction. They're made right here in the USA, and they're gonna last a lifetime. Our ball joints are specially made with an elliptical path of travel. That allows it to articulate more than a stock ball joint would. Works out great, especially if you're off-roading your truck or it's leveled. And also, doesn't hurt, lifetime warranty. Yes, you heard that right. Even on the ball joint itself, it has a lifetime warranty, and everything's made right here in the USA. If you're wondering just how anemic the stock upper control arms are, while disassembling it for testing, it actually fell apart. I'm not kidding. It pulled apart in our hands while we were trying to get it off and make sure that we could put our upper control arms on this truck. So if you're running around with stock upper control arms, just don't. You need to get Kryptonites on there ASAP. If you are leveling your truck, having these upper control arms and ball joints is an absolute must. And I don't say that because it's a recommendation, it's a must. With this thing leveled, you will pull that ball joint out of the socket. That is a no-go. Do not pass go, do not collect $200. You are gonna be back in the shop with probably more problems than you thought you were gonna have in the first place.